Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Xiaomi Mi TWS Pro 2 headphones and I'm going to show you what to do if only one earbud is working. So at first we have to remove both of our headphones from our case. Now we have to check if there is some dirt inside. As you can see, there is no dirt, or there is some dirt as you can see, so we have to clean it. Then we have to check if our earbud is working. If it doesn't work for us, we have to do a hard reset. We have to insert both of our headphones into our case and then do a hard reset by holding this button over there for at least 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. As you can see, our headphones now are hard resetted. They should work now. If it doesn't work for you, you have to go into the settings of your iPhone, Bluetooth, and turn on, off, and on your Bluetooth connection. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.